thing that you're going to do is take this is shea butter soap, and it's already a soap base, and that allows you to add colors or dried flowers or essential oils or soap scents to it and make it your own. You can also add coconut oil or olive oil and other ingredients. Today I'm just going to make a basic one. Now you can make soap out of fat and lye, and I have done that before, and kudos to the women who do that. That is some serious science. I did 3 batches and I had 1 batch turn out, and it was wonderful. And then I did a 4th batch in a crock pot that turned out really well too. So I might try that again and make a video. But anyhow, this is just a quick, easy, last minute Christmas gift to stick into gift baskets or give to your neighbors or friends or teachers or leaders in your community. So here we go. So first thing you do is melt it. Now I melt it just like you do the candy bark, where I put it in my microwave for about 20 seconds, stir it, another 20 seconds, stir it, and that seems to work just fine. So here I have just in my 2-cup measuring cup, and I'm going to put it in the microwave. I might have put too much in that time. Usually I do smaller batches, but I'm in a little bit of a hurry. And I kind of stir it around. The soap that's melted in there is hot, so just like that kind of candy coat you can buy. It's very similar melting process, and even kind of looks the same. Doesn't taste the same. Alright, that looks pretty good. There's a few chunks in there, and you do want to make sure that you mix those around. They will melt. It just takes a few minutes. And if they don't melt right away, you can always reheat it. Now I have a few Doctor Who fans in my family, so I have these silicone molds, and we'll make a couple of these. And then I have this little mold here that says "Life is Good" and has a flower. Other than that, I'll just be using a silicone baking dish that I have. There's glitter all over it, but that should be okay. There's glitter all over everything this time of year, isn't there? So this is all melted now. Have plenty more chunks in there. So I'm gonna scent mine with some vanilla extract. And I just kind of use some activated charcoal just for some texture. I'm just going to swirl it around in there. The package says that it is for it's purifying. I kind of like the idea of it looking a little bit like coal for Christmas. Gives it kind of a gray color. Start to solidify there, so. And then I'm going to start some more. I'm going to do a two-tone in here. I'm going to go ahead and put this on the bottom, which will actually be the top. Oh, there's a little piece in there. Which will actually be the top. And then I'm going to put a different layer of, this is shea butter, and then I'm going to put on top of that avocado cucumber soap. So it'll be a two-tone, and the top will have a little bit of gray, and then the bottom will be more white. This one, the bottom layer is just starting to set. Still a little bit of charcoal in there. I did see a lump in there. Sometimes you can melt it in. Looks like I'm going to need another layer in order to make this a good chunk of soap.